Hello, and today we're at the Central Park Zoo. So Central Florida Zoo in the Botanical Gardens. We did pre-purchase our tickets, and I did become an annual pass holder because I felt like if I'm going to pay for the first visit, I might as well pay for a second visit and more. Well, they look like they got zip lining. So if you're already prepaid, you can just walk right in. We'll scan our passes, I'm assuming, when we get there. Alright, so we made it in. They scanned my pass. They just asked for my ID. And then, oh, it looks like a quail. So the first stop is the peacock, and it's a small peacock, so it kind of does look like a quail. And, oh, it's the cousin of a...
Apollo and peacock cousin.
Oh, it's Apollo and peacock cousin. So it's a little smaller than the regular peacocks. And but yeah, they just scanned it, asked who was with me, and that was it. Easy to walk in. I am going to be asking if I have to be here every time, because maybe I want Mark to take Emmett. But I'll ask before we leave to see. But we saw the first animal. Did you see the bird? Yeah. Was it cute? I don't think I've ever seen cheetahs this close.
Look, they woke up.
Uh-oh, they're looking.
Something. Look over here. Look, right here. There.
They heard something. We're seeing some giraffes. So this is part of the botanical part, the botanical garden. Yeah. There's like a large checkerboard over here if you wanted to hang out. Oh. And look at the giraffes. They're out and they're being fed. How cool.
Look, Emmy. Look, Emmy. Right there. Look, butterfly. Do you see it?
Emmy, what's that?
Look, butterfly.
Ma.
Butterfly, yeah.
Ma, look. Mom.
Feed the giraffe.
Yeah.
You see the giraffe? Yeah, you're right.
We gotta wait.
Okay? Me first, second, okay?
That was super cool. We got to feed the giraffe. Emmett, did you feed the giraffe? Like a big boy, yeah. Say yes. It was a giraffe. What was he eating? He was eating lettuce?
Right.
Yeah, lettuce. So we got some butterflies over here. Oh, wow. Yeah.
Nice, huh? Come over here, let's see. We're gonna see more. Look, right here. Look, right
What? Green, yeah. Let's walk in. Whoa. All right, we stopped and got a little treat. The ice cream's really good. It's like custard. And the pretzels are really good. Decent pricing. I got a pretzel and an ice cream like swirl for $12. So nothing too crazy, but it is getting hot. So the ice cream came in perfect timing.
You see the rhino? Look, it's in the water.
Just eating away in the water. It is a hot day.
Stay right
So
there.
I don't blame them.
Y los dientes.
A black bear.
It's just pacing back and forth.
There's another one inside sleeping. But it looked like he's waiting for them to feed him or something. That's his normal.
It looks like it's feeding time. Normally they're like. So walking over.
Now he's hiding behind the bushes.
Yeah, we can see him drink.
You can see an eagle right there.
Hey, Dad, come here.
Wow. What over there? You knew what he was doing.
You saw the monkey? Yeah. Oh,
I'm right there.
you went into that herbarium. So a lot of reptiles. Look at that one, Emmett. Look. What's that? Do you see it? Emmett, look. What's that? Oh, there's another one, big one. This one's moving. All right.
Here we go.
Let's see what's in the souvenir.
Sorry, you guys.
What do you see? Did you see the bag? Is that nice? You like the bag?
Oh, I love your bag.
Oh, thank you. Do you like it? Let's keep looking, okay? We gotta leave that there. Let's keep looking, okay? It's a small store. It's not very big, and it's pretty crowded. So I won't stay in here too long. But I knew he was gonna see something. What's that? Is it a leopard? That's a cheetah and that's an eagle. You can only take one, okay? Oh, it's a rhino. You gotta put it back, okay? You gotta put him here if you're done. A sloth. There's two kinds of sloths, huh? Isn't that nice? And a big llama. Hi, goat. He ate that fast.
You can feel the llama's teeth.
Yeah. Emma, you want to try? You want to feed the goat?
Okay, baby, you want to sit back down?
Okay, okay, okay.
What'd he say?
Leche.
Okay. Okay, I'll get you leche. You want to feed the goat? Go. Look. This one came up.
This is soy. Who take photo of it?
Emmett, look at this goat. Emmett, look at this goat. Emmett. Emmett, you're gonna get wet? Run through, run through. Get wet, get wet. Go through, go through, go through. Emma's favorite thing to do is just to lay flat. Oh, he sees the drain. Whoa! If I get out of Alright, that was our trip to the Central Florida Zoo and Botanical Garden. It was fun. It's a small zoo, but they had really close-up viewings of the animals. Emmett loved the splash pad, did not want to leave. So beware with that one. But it was a very hot day, so the splash pad is very nice to have. And yeah, I hope you guys liked the video. Like and subscribe, and my name is Stephanie. Thank you for being a part of my world.